Hey y'all, I'm Samantha with the weekly tip to ensure you as parents are making the most of your summer. Here are some tips tailored to parents. Plan and prepare meals at home rather than dining out. Get the kids involved in meal prep to make it a fun activity. Local day trips. Explore nearby attractions like museums, zoos, or historical sites. Many offer discounted admission or free days. Swap playdates. Organize playdate swaps with other parents to give each other a break and save on childcare costs. DIY home projects. Tackle DIY home improvement projects as a family. It can be a fun way to bond while improving your living space. Couponing and discount sites. Use coupons, deal websites, and loyalty programs to save on groceries, activities, and household items. Summer can be a time of slowdown for you as a parent. What better time than now to visit with one of our financial counselors, all for free? Find these tips and more at mycentric.org.